Yes, you can go ahead and go. Choose how to spend your money wisely.
Today is Gatorville. The first grade teachers turn into Gator Lane, and each of our classes is turned into a business.
Special bees, special bees.
Our first grade students have been learning about economics. We've learned about wants and needs, goods and services, consumers and producers.
You can get 2 of those for $1.
Each classroom is a different business that offers goods and services or just goods. We have the students collect money. They earn dollars for good behavior, all sorts of things that they can earn dollars for, and they have to figure out how they want to spend their money, but also they get to shop 2 days. So they have to figure out how they can save their money so that they can go shopping multiple days.
And that's $1.
Once you spend it, it's not coming back. If you save it, you can earn up and get more things.
Most first graders don't have to know all the ins and outs of budgeting, but at least we've kind of laid a foundation. Everything we've taught in the classroom, it's fun to see all of their hard work and let them experience something like this.